Before we begin this lecture, go to the top navigation ribbon, select Window, and under Workspace, make sure that Essentials is selected. We will be using the Essentials workspace selection throughout this course. Photoshop has an intricate system of organization called layers. Layers allow you to organize parts of an image without causing the changes to be destructive. To the left of the Create a Layer icon is the Create a New Group icon. Folders are critical and allow you to create nested storage within a file. In this example here, I have made a collection of folders that describe a subject's body regions. These groups can be nested into another folder by holding down the Shift key and selecting all of the folders to be moved, and then dragging to the new folder that was created. You can rename a folder by double-clicking on the name. Toggling the visibility of a group will affect all nested folders and layers. Folders, by default, are set on the pass-through setting. Pass-through means that all effects in a folder will pass down to all folders and layers below it. If you do not want a folder's effects to be passed down, such as an adjustment to a folder, simply change the folder to the normal setting. If you right-click the visibility icon of a layer or folder, you will have several color options. All nested folders and layers will adapt this color. This is another way to visually see which folders and layers belong together. I prefer to organize my groups by subject, but you can organize them in any way that you and your company decides is best. The key here is consistency. You can also create folders to make notes to others in the group, such as changing the name to say last modified by so-and-so or last modified on date so-and-so. My advice is to keep folders that affect all groups within a section as a primary nest. That way you can more easily keep track of your adjustment folders. Otherwise, it can become difficult to find specific adjustments. Next, we are going to discuss creating artboards. If you right-click a group, you will have an artboard from group option. This allows you to create a preset size for that group. So, for example, if every layer in a group is going to be used to make an Apple Watch mockup, you could select Apple Watch from the drop-down list. This will create an artboard for that group only that will allow you to have the correct size for Apple Watch applications. If you want to change this later, you can always use the artboard tool, which is located under the Move tool on the left navigation pane.